So he's been asked to tender his resignation and it seems like he's agreed. You know, there's no tantrums per se. The only challenge is that he's not agreeing to what's being offered instead. And that's important. Why? Because like I said, Siddaramaiah will have to be seen as a leader who's happy with the role that's given to him. A leader who is placated and who is someone who's given his due importance by the Congress High Command. That's the only challenge right now that needs to be ironed out. Otherwise, the decks more or less are cleared for DK Shivkumar to take over. But you're seeing essentially that most Congress leaders right now are tight-lipped. Anyone we've spoken to maintain nothing happened. Rajya Sabha polls was discussed. MLC seats were discussed. Nothing more. That was a message that came in from KC Venugopal yesterday. Even today, Congress leaders off record confirm that yes, Siddaramaiah is going to step down. DK Shivkumar is going to take over. On record, the moment the cameras come on, all the Congress leaders parrot the same line, which is essentially that no decision has been taken. Listen to some of those reactions.
ಏನ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಆಗಿದೆ
ನಾಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು
ಇವತ್ತು ಬರೀವಿ
ನಾಳೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಏನ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಆಗಿದೆ
ನಾಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು
ಇವತ್ತು ಬರೀವಿ
ನಾಳೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆ
Our General Secretary ACC, who is in charge of Karnataka, Shri Randeep Surjewala ji is coming, and he will, whatever he says, that we will all follow because he represents the High Command.
कल तो चर्चा हुआ है मगर ऑफिशियली कुछ कम्युनिकेट नहीं हुआ है। कल सीएम साहब ने ब्रेकफास्ट मीटिंग बुलाया है बेंगलुरु में, उसमें हम हिस्सा लेंगे। उसके बाद में क्या सीएम ने सूचित किएंगे, क्या हाई कमांड में डिस्कशन हुआ, तब बोलने के बाद ही पता चलेंगे ये हुआ है इधर।
सर क्या माना जा सकता है कल जो बैठक होगी, कल जो ब्रेकफास्ट मीटिंग है उसमें ये डिसीजन ऑफिशियल हो जाएगा कि अनाउंसमेंट होने का?
ऑफिशियली हो जाएंगे, कल तो ऑफिशियली हो जाएंगे, तब तक तो हमको वेट करना पड़ेगा।
सर योर नेम इज आल्सो बीइंग इन टॉक्स फॉर द पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट।
पता नहीं मैडम, अभी तो चर्चा नहीं है, चर्चा तो चल रहा है। अभी तक तो वरिष्ठ लोगों ने बुला के चर्चा नहीं किया है। अगर करेंगे तो हम बताएंगे क्या करना है, कैसा है। नहीं, पार्टी का डिसीजन सबका अंतिम हो जाएंगे। पार्टी जो निर्णय लेंगे सबको मानना पड़ेगा। ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವುದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಕರೆದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ। ಚರ್ಚೆ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಮುಂದಿನ 2 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಪಕ್ಷ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಲಹೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತೀವಿ। ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ ವರಿಷ್ಠ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಕೋಟೆ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ। ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾರು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ। ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇತ್ತಿತ್ತಲಾಗಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಇಲ್ಲ। ನೋಡೋಣ, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ। ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯನ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ।
This is all speculation, not at no information. Yesterday, the Venugopal is told that only we have discussed with the Rajya Sabha and the Vidhana Parishad seats. Only he conveyed to the press. I am not going beyond that. If the Chief Minister called tomorrow morning, let me know what is the outcome. And he was there. Decisions, he was also there. He is a disciplined person. I hope we will know tomorrow only. Till the time, I cannot comment anything. I am the person who is abide by the High Command decision.
Don't ask hypothetical questions. Yesterday, KC Venugopal ji has made a statement that in English. Please, please. I'm telling you, you please don't interfere. I'm telling you, statement was given by KC Venugopal that we have a discussion about Rajya Sabha elections, we are discussion about council elections, and he made a public statement along with CM, DCM, and Surjewala ji, our Assistant Secretary, and he said we discussed about Rajya Sabha elections and council elections. Sir, nothing else was discussed in that meeting. Sir, and that statement is final. I can't add up anything to that.
CM has called for a breakfast meeting tomorrow, and there's several reports of saying CM is going to resign. How do you see the developments over the last 24 hours?
See, whatever is there, it has been discussed and decided yesterday amongst all our senior leaders, High Command. And whatever decision, I think tomorrow CM has called all the ministers and he will convey. And I think, and as per whatever the party wishes is there, I think everyone will discharge their duties accordingly.